Hi, Vicki Kelly from SDG here to give you a preview of IMO Capture, the newest addition to the SDG ImageMate online lineup. We're pretty excited about how IMO Capture extends Outpost to Anywhere for device-independent photo capture in the field. This new Outpost option allows the user to capture new photos using any mobile device, Android or Apple smartphones included, without having an RPS-friendly app like Outpost installed on the device. As long as you're licensed for IMO and Outpost use, you're covered. This is all done through your phone's browser and cellular connection. So start by launching your town, county, or city's SDG IMO service via your device's browser, and go ahead and type in the address of the property where you want to add the picture. And if you have the appropriate administrative rights, you'll see a button that says Add Image with Mobile Device. Go ahead, click on that. Click on the green icon and the onboard camera app will load. As always, most real estate photography is best shot in landscape mode. RPS and IMO are both optimized for landscape photos. Note that you can always rotate an image in IMO once the image is initially saved. You just have to get into the edit option. So frame and shoot the photo as you're already used to doing with your phone. If you like the photo, go ahead and click on OK, and at this point you can put your device back in portrait mode. So click on OK, and you'll see the picture as well as the opportunity to add comments and decide if you want it to be the default image. So for comments, you can click right on the field and start typing, or if you want to use the speech-to-text option, just click right on that, and then you can go ahead and use the microphone. So I'm just going to go ahead and click in here, click on Add Image, and then what will happen is it will take you back to the property detail page, and you'll see the picture right there, and that's it, you're done. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or email. I'll put the details in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for listening and have a great day.